Every year, hundreds of skis are retired, and oddly enough, some of these skis go missing. They're probably in that same place where my missing socks are. But that's okay, because I only need one ski for this project. Let's head to the shop and get that thing warmed up. I'm going to pull some of this old binding hardware off and utilize it in the final project. For the legs of the base, I'm going to use some cutoffs from an old coil spring. I originally used the coil spring to make a coat rack, and you can check out my old video on that. And you get the idea. I'm really struggling with this temporary setup. Ideally for these T-lights, I needed a 1 7/8 inch hole. Now my hole saws came in 2-inch and 1 3/4. Neither one of them was perfect. But I had a guide set for my router, so I came up with a plan. Started by drilling a 1 3/4 inch hole in the ski itself. The key to prevent chip out or blowout on the other side of your workpiece is to drill partially through, flip your workpiece over, and then start drilling back towards the original side. So the guide set that I was talking about earlier has several templates, and they just mount into the base of your router. Just realize that there is an offset between the template and the router bit. The offset for this router bit and template is about a 1/16 of an inch. So I created a circular template using a 2-inch hole saw.